What they doing, Gitchi? What the mice is doing?
She's still looking?
Gitchi, your ear's in the way. I can't see your face. What they doing, Go? What the mice is doing, huh? What the mice is doing? Are you gonna eat them? You gonna try to eat the mice? She's looking behind it. She's looking, trying to look underneath it.
Where are they, Gitch?
She says there's got to be a way in. I got to be able to get in there and get them mice.
Where are they, Gitch? What?
She jumped back. What, did one of them almost get you, Goo? Did it almost get you?
Did it come at her?
No.
It's a good girl.